Unlock the power of seamless financial management by securely connecting your bank account to Cash App using Plaid. In today's digital financial world, having your bank account linked to Cash App offers incredible benefits. From lightning-fast transfers to robust security, Plaid is the secure bridge that makes this happen, ensuring your information is protected every step of the way. Let's get you connected. First, open your Cash App. Navigate to the banking or payment methods section, which you can usually find by tapping your profile picture in the top corner. Look for an option like Link Bank or Add Bank Account. When you tap this, Cash App will seamlessly integrate with Plaid to guide you through the process. Plaid will then prompt you to search for your bank. Simply start typing the name of your financial institution, and Plaid will present you with matching options. Select your bank from the list. Now, you'll be directed to your bank's secure login portal. All within the Plaid environment. Enter your online banking username and password. This is where Plaid's advanced encryption protects your credentials. After successfully logging in, Plaid will securely retrieve your account information. You'll then be presented with a list of your available bank accounts. Choose the specific account you wish to link to your Cash App. Once you confirm your selection, Cash App will verify the connection. You'll typically see a confirmation message, and your linked bank account will now appear in your Cash App's payment methods. Connecting through Plaid offers verified account access for smoother, faster transfers, and Plaid's security measures ensure your data remains private and protected, giving you peace of mind for all your financial activities.